Welcome to GemWebLog. In this video, we are going to discuss about event handling in J pop-up menu using pop-up menu listener interface. Now, when does this event occurs? This event occurs whenever the user chooses the pop-up menu. So, what does it contain? It contains the source of the event, nothing but the pop-up menu which is sending it. Next, when you talk about pop-up menu listener, it contains three methods. Pop-up menu will become visible. So whenever the pop-up menu is opened, this method will be called. Next, pop-up menu will become invisible whenever the pop-up menu is closed. Next, pop-up menu cancel. Whenever you cancel this pop-up menu, this method will be called. All these three methods will receive the object pop-up menu event class. So when does this listener will be notified? Whenever a pop-up menu is chosen, this listener interface will be notified. Now let us start the demonstration of event handling using this listener interface. So before we enter into the event handling demonstration, this is the basic code that is required to performers. First you have to include the necessary package, then you have to define the class. So inside the class you have to define the constructor. So inside the constructor, we have included the code to create a frame and display it on the screen. Next, inside the main, we have called the constructors. Now we will enter into the step-by-step procedure to perform this operation. First, you have to import the package. Import javax.swing.event package. And also, we are going to import the package java.awt.event package, since we are going to use mouse listener interface for displaying the pop-up menu. Next, we are going to create the pop-up menu. J pop-up menu pm equal to new j pop-up menu. We are going to create the pop-up menu for colors. So I have given the label color. Once you created it, I have added that pop-up menu into the frame, because we are going to display the pop-up menu in the frame. Next, once you created it, we are going to populate the pop-up menu with the menu items blue, green and the red colors. So whenever it has been created, it has been added into the pop-up menu pm.add.pi, then gi, then ri. Now we have created the pop-up menu and it has been populated with the menu items blue, green and red. Now, if you want to display this into the frame, whenever the mouse is clicked, you have to add the event handling for this. Okay. So for this, we are going to add the mouse listener for frame object. Since we are going to click the mouse on the frame, whenever the mouse is clicked on the frame, the pop-up menu will be displayed. So we have to write action listener for the frame. So f.add mouse listener. Okay, so it contains many methods: mouse click, mouse list, exit, pressed. So we are not going to add all the methods. We are going to define only clicked method. So we are going to use adapter for this. So inside this, we are going to define the method mouse clicked. Okay, so which receives mouse event object. So we are going to display the pop-up menu. For this, show method is used. pm.show, where you are going to display in frame at x comma y. So this will extract the x coordinate of mouse clicked and this will extract the y coordinate of the mouse clicked. Now we will check. Now you could see wherever the mouse is clicked, the pop-up menu will be displayed, which contains three menu items blue, green and red. Now we are going to add the pop-up menu listener for this pop-up menu. So here we are going to add the listener interface for that particular pop-up menu. Here we are going to write the event handling for pop-up menu. So pm.add pop-up menu listener and we are passing the object. We are going to define the object. So pop-up menu listener listen equal to new pop-up menu. So inside this, we are going to define all the methods. Public void pop-up menu will become visible, which receives pop-up menu event E. So whenever it becomes visible, we are going to display open in the console, window. So whenever it will become invisible, we are going to display close in the console. So whenever it is cancel, we are going to display cancel in the console. Okay, pop-up menu will become visible and then invisible cancel. Now we are going to compile it. So whenever the pop-up menu is open, it will be displayed open. So when I give escape, okay, the menu will be cancelled and also it will be closed. So cancel has been called and close operation has been called. So these are the 3 different methods which is available in pop-up menu listener. This listener is exclusively written for pop-up menu. Thank you.